Hello friends, welcome to my channel Order Flow Girl. Today is 9th September and let's look at the trades that I have taken today. My first trade was in Pidilite. If we look at the volume profile chart, we'll see that this initiative candle opened inside previous day value area, closed outside. This initiative was followed by responsive selling. Price took a bounce exactly from previous day value area high and then moved up. However, this upward move was not sustained. Sellers took a control and then there was a consolidation phase. Eventually, price closed lower. If we look at the order flow chart, we'll see that in this initiative candle, we had our high liquidity pocket position along with buying imbalance. So this is our ID setup. So as per our plan, we place our limit order at this pocket position. We keep our stop loss equal to the points up to the high of the initiative candle from the pocket position. So price absorbed exactly at this level and then started moving up. But if we look at this 10 a.m. candle, there was a spike in the volume, but this effort versus result was not reflected as this candle couldn't close strongly bullish. So I decided it was best to close my trade here. My next trade was in UPL. Again in UPL, if we look at the volume profile chart, it was the same story. It opened up outside previous day value area, moved up very aggressively. However, this up move was not sustained. Sellers took the control and this initiative was retracted. If we look at the order flow chart, there was buying imbalance in this 9:45 a.m. candle. However, there was no responsive selling. So price didn't take a bounce from this pocket position and we couldn't take any entry here. In this next candle, we'll see that there were multiple pocket positions along with buying imbalance. However, this next candle closed below this buying imbalance and didn't take a bounce from any of this pocket position and moved up. So closing below this buying imbalance paved the way for our imbalance breakout trade. I captured this downward move after the breakout of this imbalance in the 9:45 a.m. candle. I placed my limit order at the close of this 11 a.m. candle with my stop loss one tick above this imbalance. So I got an entry here and then price started moving down from there itself. If we look at this 9:30 a.m. candle, beyond my entry point, there were no imbalances and no strong pocket positions. So I held on to this trade and that is why I could capture a good move. So that was for today. I hope this added some value to your trading knowledge. If you enjoyed watching this video, do like this video, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, keep learning, keep earning. Bye-bye.